Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm playing Super Bear Adventure. It's a mobile game. And I don't know if it's there anywhere else. It's new, so let's try it. New to me, at least. Okay, for centuries there existed a kingdom where creatures lived in peace under the ruling of the Bee Dynasty. Queen Beatrice, the Bee Queen, was a beloved ruler. She was fair and appreciated by all. The balance between all creatures was perfect. Until the bees started producing a different kind of honey in the hive. Shortly after, this new flavor and this purple color were beloved by everyone. Unfortunately, the creatures that consumed it began to turn crazy and attacked their friends like mindless animals. Nobody knows why the bees started to wreak havoc upon their own kingdom, and its inhabitants were too weak to fight back. Long before, the bees realized that the bears were mysteriously unaffected by the purple honey. Their resistance caused their loss. The bees raided the bear village and imprisoned them to prevent any revolt. Oh no! Unlucky one bear managed to avoid the attack, but now the fate of people is on his shoulders. The world needs a hero. Someone needs to restore the balance. Someone to end this purple. Will you save us, Baron? Okay, Baron is his name. Okay, that's the prologue, I guess. Okay, Baron is sleeping over here. Okay, he's woken up. Okay, get up. Get up. Get up. Welcome to Super Bear Adventure. Use the joystick on the left to move around, I know that. Yippee! Okay, it's not so smooth though. Press A to jump. Press B to attack when you're on the ground. Try it on this training dummy, okay? Oh, go away. Well, I love this punch. I feel like Rayman. He doesn't have any limbs. I am double jumper. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I dived. Okay, I can climb vines by walking through it. I like this game so far. Oh, okay. Nice. I cannot breathe. Okay. Let's go up. B. You can press B to grab certain objects. Okay. Yeah, I'm Rayman. I am Rayman. Where should I? Oh, okay. Right there. Okay. Be in there, okay? Hold B in there. Belly stone. Oh. Okay, that's good. That's a good one. I like it. Belly stone. Belly stone. Ah! Oh, wait. Oh, hey, wait. Was I just climbing that thing? Okay. Ah! Stop it. You're not Knuckles. Stop it. Chica! Oh, Chica! What an original name! Hey, Baron, there you are. The bees attacked the village and captured everyone. I managed to hide when they arrived. Were you just sleeping? Avoiding a raid by taking a nap away from the village? That's very rude. Anyway, you should team up too. We are friends. I could give you some advice about the surroundings. Backpackers like me know a lot about the kingdom. I saw bees talking to bears to Turtletown, taking the bears, okay? We should go there first. Fortunately for us, the platform that leads there is still working. Let's go. We could then go to Snow Valley and explore the Behemoth Desert. Super Bear Adventure. Okay, that was a practice stage. Oh! Backpacker means like, oh what? Seriously? You're a backpacker means like actual, we strap you like a backpack? Okay, what kind of stuff can I put in you? Okay, so this is B real different thing. What is this purple? Oh, it slows you down. Okay. I'm gonna collect all these coins. Wait, I love coins. No, I want my coins. Giant house. There are 12 bears. What do you mean? Oh, wait, you're dead. Oh, wait, I forgot. You're saving bears, right? Yeah. It has to be. Like, you have to save. Wait. Go! Wait. I get it. Come here. I need to grab you. I can't grab it. Come back. I need to grab you. Okay, let's climb this one. Climbing this vine. Okay, how I forgot. Let me go. I forgot how to. Excuse me, could someone help me? I forgot how to hold stuff. Hello, who are you? Hello, it's me, Capicola. So if you have advertisement of the No, how do I get out of this? Okay. Okay, yeah. The game glitched. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. Capitalist, you traitor! Okay. Oh no. More catapults! Those traitors! Chica, sorry, not Chica. How can I mistake? How should I grab stuff again? Oh, a shortcut, look. Conveniently! Ow! Aha! Remind me of Mario. When you grab stuff, press B. Okay, now. Okay, so how do I get this basketball in that food? How do I do this? No, it doesn't work like that. But anyway, let's go to Turtleneck Town, wherever that's called. Also, first let's see what's up here. Okay. This doesn't seem very interesting. Wait. Oh wait. That thing spawns a ball. That means that we can score a goal. But oh come on! No. Hey. Oh whoa! Hey. Oh, Turtle Town, not Turtleneck. Take me there. I'm getting vibes of Mario. That was like Super Mario Galaxy stuff. portals have been encrypted. Okay, well, the bear cages scattered around the area. Okay, each cage has its own key, so we need to find it first. They should be somewhere near the cages. Okay. Once we free enough of our friends, we'll be able to open this gate. I cannot read right now. Also note that coins will reappear each time we leave the level. Oh, nice! Thank you. Just tell me I can harvest. Thank you. You just told me we can harvest this. Next level. Oh, okay. Oh my god! What's this? Oh, free coins! More free coins! Free coins! Free coins! Coin! I'll do anything for coins! Oh, okay. Hey, turtle! Hey! I want to talk to you! Okay. Oh, free coin! Free coin party! Ah! Yeah, boy! Bro, give me that coin! Bro. I will do parkour to get these coins. I will do actual parkour around all the chances I was doing before. Oh, wait, there's someone up there. There's someone up there. Okay, we have to save that someone. Oh, there he is. So we have to actually do some parkour. First, let us get some money. Okay, we did a full circle. Hey, bro! I can save you. But the key. Oh, wait. Here's the key. More parkour! Damn it. How could I be such a fool? Come on. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will move backwards. Okay, this moves like this, so I'll move backwards, and I'll jump, and then... Okay, this will take a while. Get me up there. Just get me up there. Okay, yes! I cheated! And nothing felt so good like cheating. Okay, I have a key. And my backpacker friend is holding it. Oh my god, how so close. I have to do some immensely quick parkour. Okay, let's go. Hey, you free rock. Wow! Bear Savior 1. Gold time. Nice. I'm gonna advertisement straight after that. Wow. That's how YouTube Premium feels like. I'm going... Oh no! No. You freaking fools! Hey! You little... Ow! We can't damage him? Oh, we can damage him. No, we can dodge him. Come back here, you stupid little honey. You stupid little honeybee. Ah. Okay, whacked it dead. What do we have to do? Oh, that's what we have to do. Make it go on the correct pattern. Okay, so need this. No. Let's try this. No. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Wait. I have an idea. Wait. We can change it. We can change it in the middle. While it's running. So spawn. Immediately switch. And then switch off. Okay, let's let me talk. Okay, switch on everything. Okay, so switch off, switch on. Oh, yes, brother. Dr. Christopher. I saved Dr. Christopher. Wow. Oh, damn, we can save Dr. Christopher. Yeah. Ow! Yeah. Okay. I saved the doctor. Now you can save all the others. Oh, whoa. Okay. Got a few coins there. Oh my god. I haven't had enough of you. Okay, let's go the actual intended path. Okay, got it clear. I had enough of you. You sound like zombies from Minecraft. You zombie from Minecraft? Okay. Oh, not another zombie. You little zombies! Ah! Scared me. These guys respawn? These guys actually freaking respawn? You must be cheating me. Okay. Cheating. That's what they call me, cheating, man. Okay. I'm perfectly to collect that coin. I don't have time for the turtleneck zombie. Looks like why does Bear look like he's from Minecraft? Like seriously. Actually, hey, you stupid zombie from Minecraft! Fall to your doom. Let's see, there's a few. Oh my god! I did not know that. After going to a few of these houses. Oh, these guys are not in. The hermit used to tell stories about an underwater cave in the lake before he was taken by a thief. Count me in! I found underwater cave. Oh, I think I can cheat. 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 Yes, I can cheat. Come on, come on. Tommy! I say. Got Tommy by cheating. I'm pretty sure this wasn't how the game was supposed to be played, but whatever. When you find a shortcut, you take it. Taking all the points here. Oxygen. There aren't enemies underwater, are there? Oh, wait. 3 cool.